Hi there, I am recording this to celebrate and really promote and be part of International Women's Day and sending it out to all of our students to really help us all come together, understand about what the day means and how much it's steeped in our history, the history of this country, but the history of many countries in terms of particularly securing women's rights, but equally looking forward to a much more equal and equity-based world as we move forward and everything improves. Now we know that there have been enormous legal, political, social changes in the last 100 years in particular, and that has improved the lives of many women and many men. However, there's still enormous amounts that we need to do to make sure that people don't face discrimination, that people do feel they've got the support they need, and that they're not facing bullying, harassment and all sorts of other really difficult things that people experience day in, day out. And this year's International Women's Day is supporting and really promoting the idea of breaking the bias. And you may see a lot of people making this cross sign, and I say people deliberately, that's men and women and people of all genders, to support each other and really promote this day and this agenda. So I'm thrilled to be part of it and welcome everyone at East Sussex College and our local communities to be part of it too. In terms of leadership and role models, I think that the adage of if you can't see it, you can't be it is so important. And actually, the more that we encourage and support leaders from different backgrounds and diversities to come to to really achieve those top roles is so important. And I think that in the FE sector, there are a huge number of women and people from diverse backgrounds who are starting to really make their mark and become much more prominent. And that's such an important thing. And actually, as a female leader, I've got a responsibility to be a role model and to show that it can be done and that you can do things your way. We take our values that are steeped in equality, diversity and inclusion and respect really, really seriously. And it's something that people regularly say when they visit the college, that they really feel that we're an organisation that really means what we say about equality and diversity. And it doesn't mean it's all perfect, and it doesn't mean we've not got work to do, but what we are is committed to making sure that all of our young people, all of our students of all ages feel welcomed, feel supported and feel that their voice is being heard. Bring your confidence, bring your passion, bring your energy and bring your hard work to the forefront, and you will succeed if you keep trying and you keep believing in yourself and you believe in what you're doing and learn, look at how you can learn every day and what opportunities are there to take up if you're just looking perhaps a little bit harder. And if you're not finding them in the place that you're in, change places. Go and find an organisation that really will value and respect and nurture you. That would be my advice to any young person starting out today.